The Styrian town of Mittersdorf am Sassbach, the tranquil place where the original sawmill once stood, is where Scheucher remains located to this day. With 245 employees, it is one of the largest hardwood flooring manufacturers in Austria. The annual production is roughly 3 million square meters, with around 72% being exported. Scheucher Holzindustrie supplies sophisticated customers all over the world, from Europe and North America to Russia and Asia. These customers are companies in the parquet and wood wholesale trade, floor installers, interior decorators, and object developers. Extremely conscientious production workers, as well as first-class customer support by an international consulting team, guarantee perfect implementation of all customer projects. During production, this modern plant relies on state-of-the-art technologies. Delivered top layers are sorted fully automatically and undergo laser-assisted quality control. In air-conditioned halls and by computer guidance, stored top veneers, middle layers, and backsides are glued and pressed together. This creates a stable base for long-lasting floorboards and parquet panels. After a cooling phase, the floorboards are carefully sanded. Then it's time for surface finishing. Depending on the customer's order, the parquet boards are brushed, scraped, bleached, stained, painted, or oiled. The milling of the high-precision Novalock click-in connection is performed by the most advanced milling machines in the world. This is where innovations such as Scheucher's internationally sought-after French herringbone prefabricated parquet come into being. The Styrian company also continuously trains apprentices. In 2019, Scheucher was awarded for its exemplary apprenticeship. In the modern logistics center, all items are in stock. They can be delivered to Scheucher customers at short notice. Hardwood flooring from southern Styria for the whole world.